Ever wondered how to make money online fast without any investment? Today, we will explore 10 exciting ideas that can help you achieve just that. From freelancing to online surveys, affiliate marketing to selling products online, blogging to online tutoring, social media management to content creation, virtual assistant roles to stock photography. The world of online opportunities is vast and full of potential. So buckle up and prepare for a journey into the world of digital entrepreneurship. Let's dive into the first idea, shall we? Our first idea is freelancing, a flexible way to use your skills and earn money. Freelancing is the modern age's answer to rigid 9-to-5 jobs. It's all about offering your skills and services on your own terms and your own time. Imagine being a graphic designer, a content writer, a translator, or even a software developer, and having the freedom to choose who you work for, how much you work, and where you work from. That's the power of freelancing. There are numerous platforms available for freelancers. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients from all over the world. Your potential income as a freelancer depends on your skills, experience, and the market demand for your services. But remember, successful freelancing requires dedication, quality work, and timely delivery. So if you're someone who values flexibility and independence, freelancing could be your ticket to earning online. Freelancing offers you the freedom to work at your own pace and earn money according to your skills. Next on our list is participating in online surveys. Picture this. You're lounging on your couch, sipping on your favorite beverage and making money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Online surveys offer this very convenience. These surveys are hosted by market research companies looking for insights into consumer behavior. All you need to do is sign up on one of these platforms, fill out some demographic information about yourself, and voila, you're in business. The surveys usually take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes to complete, and you're compensated for your time and effort. The pay isn't astronomical, but it can add up if you're diligent. The best part? You can do this from the comfort of your own home at a time that suits you. You're in control. So if you're looking for a way to make some money without a big time commitment, this could be a great option. Online surveys can be a quick way to earn a few bucks in your spare time. Third on our list is affiliate marketing, a method of earning passive income. But what exactly is this? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business where you, as an affiliate, earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. To get started, you first need to join an affiliate program. Many online retailers such as Amazon have affiliate programs you can join for free. Once you've joined, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. You then promote this link on your website, blog, or social media channels. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. This percentage can vary greatly, from as low as 1% to as high as 50%, depending on the affiliate program. The potential income from affiliate marketing can be substantial, especially if you have a large online following or if you're skilled at driving traffic to your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative option if you have a sizable online following. Another fantastic idea is selling products online. In the digital age, setting up an online store has never been easier. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, or even your own website can be your virtual marketplace. You could sell handcrafted items, vintage finds, or even digital products like ebooks or online courses. Sourcing products can be as simple as creating them yourself, or you can use dropshipping methods that handle inventory and shipping for you. The world of online selling is vast and varied, offering a plethora of opportunities to those willing to take the plunge. The potential earnings can be substantial, especially if you find a unique product or niche market that resonates with customers. Just remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, dedication, and a keen understanding of your market. Selling products online can be a rewarding experience, both financially and creatively. It's an exciting journey of discovery, innovation, and ultimately profit. Our fifth idea is blogging, a popular way to make money online. Blogging is more than just a hobby. It's a platform where you can share your thoughts, experiences, and expertise. It all starts with setting up your blog. You can use platforms like WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace to name a few. Once you've set up, the next step is to create engaging content. Write about what you love, what you know, and what you think others might find interesting. As your blog grows and attracts more visitors, you can start to monetize it. There are several ways to do this. You can display ads on your blog, partner with brands for sponsored posts, or sell products or services directly to your readers. The potential income from blogging can vary greatly. It depends on the amount of traffic your blog receives, the monetization methods you choose, and, of course, the quality of your content. Blogging can be a great way to share your thoughts with the world and earn money. Next up, online tutoring, a rewarding way to share your knowledge and earn money. This avenue of making money online is perfect for those who have a knack for a particular subject, be it mathematics, languages, or even music. The process begins with identifying your area of expertise and finding an online platform that matches your skills with students worldwide. Platforms like tutor.com or Chegg Tutors are great places to start. The requirements? Patience, a reliable internet connection, and a passion for teaching. Some platforms may also require a degree in your chosen field, but many are open to anyone with a deep understanding of the subject matter. The potential income varies greatly, depending on your subject, the platform, and the hours you're willing to commit. However, it's not uncommon for tutors to earn upwards of £50 an hour. Online tutoring can be a fulfilling way to make a difference and earn money. Seventh on our list is social media management. In our digital age, businesses of all sizes are seeking to establish a strong online presence. That's where social media managers come into the picture. These savvy individuals are tasked with managing, curating, and creating content for a company's social media platforms. But what skills do you need? Well, you'll need a good understanding of different social media platforms, a knack for creating engaging content, and the ability to analyze trends and track engagement. Now let's talk potential income. While it can vary greatly, some social media managers are making a pretty penny. It's not unheard of for experienced managers to earn well into the 5 figures annually. But remember, this isn't just about the money. It's about connecting with communities, sparking conversations, and helping businesses grow. Social media management can be a fun and rewarding way to make money online. Next, we have content creation, a creative way to make money online. Now, you might be wondering what content creation is. Simply put, it's the process of generating topic ideas that appeal to your audience, and then producing written, visual, or audio material based around those ideas. Content creation can take many forms. You might start a podcast, produce YouTube videos, create digital art, or write blog posts. You're only limited by your imagination. Now, to make money from content creation, you need to monetize it. This could be through advertising, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services. The potential income from content creation can vary greatly. It largely depends on your audience size, the quality of your content, and the monetization methods you choose. Remember, creating content that resonates with your audience is key. It's about building a community and providing value. Content creation can be a rewarding way to express your creativity and earn money. Our 9th idea is becoming a virtual assistant. Dive into the world of online work by becoming a virtual assistant. This role is all about offering administrative services to clients from a remote location. You might manage their emails, schedule appointments, or even handle their social media, all from the comfort of your own home. Now, what skills do you need? Well, you need to be a solid communicator, both in writing and verbally. You'll also need to be tech-savvy, as you'll be working with various online tools and platforms. Organizational skills are key, and a good sense of time management is essential. As for potential income, it can vary greatly, but it's possible to earn a substantial income, depending on your skills and the tasks you perform. The more specialized your services, the higher your potential income can be. Being a virtual assistant can be a great way to utilize your organizational skills and earn money. Last but not least, stock photography, a unique way to make money online. It's the realm where your knack for photography can really shine and generate income. Let's delve into the process. First, you capture high-quality, unique images. These could be anything: landscapes, cityscapes, or even your dinner. The key is originality and quality. Once you've got your shots, you can upload them to stock photo websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Now, what are the requirements? Generally, these sites look for high-resolution, well-composed photos. But remember, each site has its own specifics, so make sure to review them before submitting your work. The potential income? Well, it varies widely. Some people make a few pounds a month, while others make a full-time living. It largely depends on the quality and quantity of your photos and the demand in the market. Stock photography can be a fun way to share your creativity and earn money. So there you have it, 10 ideas on how to make money online fast without any investment. We've explored the potential of freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, selling products online, blogging, online tutoring, social media management, content creation, working as a virtual assistant, and selling stock photography. Each of these avenues holds the potential to generate income without initial capital. Remember, the key to success is consistency and dedication. Good luck on your online money-making journey!